I have opened up MPEG Streamclip version 1.2 and edit a file. I'm going to go into File, Open Files. I'm going to select this file here and then click Open. Now here I can click on the forward button and watch the video. See if I want to edit or change anything. Slide that back to the beginning. I'm going to go into right there. I'm going to go into Edit. Select In. That's where I want to crop it off. I'll go back to Edit. Select Trim. It took that part of it off, the beginning part. Now I'm going to push the forward button. The video plays. I'm going to stop it right there. So I go to Edit, select Out. You can see there's a little gap left right there that I want to trim out. So I go to Edit, Trim. Okay, now it's cropped down and edited the way I want it. If you want to take the soundtrack out, you can go into Edit, click on Delete Audio Track. I want to leave it in here, so I'm not going to select that. Whoops. Now, I'm going to leave the sound in. So to save this, I'm going to go to File, Export to QuickTime. Now I'm going to be uploading this file to an online photo website, and they request that you go to Apple Photo-JPEG. They want a quality of 80%, 1920 by 1080 unscaled. I'm going to uncheck interlay scaling. I'm going to click Make Movie. And I'm just going to it should be going into the correct folder, so I'm just going to put, I'm going to leave the file name, but I'm going to put Archery, Archery on it, .mov, and click Save. The images, or the video is now processing. And there it's done, and it's right there in that file. So here I'm going to go File, Close, and it gets rid of the video there. I'm going to double click on this image, and here's the edited file. And there you go.